Hi, my name is Steven Tyler Biluching, and this is my video for lung health awareness. What is lung? Lung is a one pair of organs in the chest that supplies the body with oxygen and remove the carbon dioxide from the body. What is the importance of lungs in human body? Lungs are amazing organs. They allow us to breathe in the oxygen we need to live and breathe out waste product called carbon dioxide. They bring oxygen into our bodies, inspiration or inhalation. Send carbon dioxide out called expiration or exhalation. How to take care of your lungs? First, exercise. Exercise is a physically activity that enhances or maintains fitness and for all health to aid growth and improve strength, develop muscle and cardiovascular system, improve health. Second, do not smoke. This is a great way to steadily improve your lung. Smoking is a leading cause of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, in short, COPD. Third, eat healthily. A nutrient-rich diet can help protect your lungs. Fourth, hydration. Drinking of plenty water and staying hydrated is important for every aspect of your health, including respiratory health. Fifth, hygiene a set of practice perform to perceive health. Personal hygiene refers to maintaining the body cleanliness. And a lot more you should do. You should research about health to have awareness not only our lungs but also our body health. Thank you.